Hi everyone, this tech tip shows you how to create a honeycomb structure in 3 steps. The first step is to create a simple sketch of a hexagon. It is important to use inscribed polygon and you'll see why when inputting pattern distance later. The second step is to create the rib. Click Extrude and use the thin with the mid-plane option. This also makes the pattern distance simple because it does not include the rib thickness. The third and the final step is to repeat the hexagon rib. This calls for the linear pattern tool. Now you need to decide 3 things: how the pattern is moving in both directions and how to space out each instance. Direction 1 is easy. It is the y-axis if it is aligned with the width across flex. Direction 2 is 60 degrees from the y-axis, but there's no need to define additional reference lines because this direction is normal to the neighboring face. And the pattern distance is simply the width across flex, which is the diameter of the inscribed circle. To make it look squarely arranged, create additional rows, then skip the unneeded ones. Now you have created the honeycomb structure. You can go on and make a honeycomb tube with a few more steps. To achieve this, use an expression to fit a fixed number of hexagons into the half circle. Then create the other half. Important parameters are controlled by configuration variables, so you can create different sizings of the tube simply by modifying the numbers here. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.